Hey there, future cybersecurity experts. Ready to kickstart your career with an exciting opportunity? Look no further. Flipkart is here with an incredible free internship program that will take your skills to the next level. Introducing the Flipkart FREE Internship Program, where you can earn a rewarding 40,000 rupees monthly stipend while gaining hands-on experience in the dynamic field of cybersecurity. That's right. Not only will you earn a generous stipend, but you'll also receive a free Flipkart Infosec certification, equipping you with the foundational knowledge to excel in this exciting field. Flipkart, with its investments in made-in-India technological advancements, customer-centric features, and a wide range of categories, is revolutionizing commerce in India. Join a company that supports over 350 million customers and specializes in helping MSMEs and entrepreneurs. As part of the Walmart-owned Flipkart Group, you'll be part of a family that includes Myntra, Cleartrip, Flipkart Health Plus, and a large stake in PhonePe, one of India's top payment apps. Let's talk about the Flipkart Infosec Certification Program. This comprehensive 6-month program is designed to empower recent graduates and the wider cybersecurity community. It's completely free and comes with a paid stipend. Here's why you should join the Infosec Certification Program. Gain intensive on-the-job training, develop practical skills, and tackle real-world cybersecurity challenges. Learn from 40 hours of expert-led classroom sessions on the latest security frameworks and technologies. Work on live projects and simulated security incidents to build critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The program lasts for 6 months, is based in Bangalore, and offers a Rs 40,000 monthly stipend. Who's eligible? BTech graduates from Tier 1 and 2 schools, individuals with 1 to 2 years of experience in tech fields, and MBA students from Tier 1 and 2 schools with an interest in cybersecurity. If you have a strong desire to excel in cybersecurity, this program is for you. Don't miss this amazing opportunity. The application deadline is June 2, 2024. Ready to apply? Join us in shaping the future of cybersecurity with the Flipkart Infosec Certification Program. Your exciting career in safeguarding the digital world starts here. Flipkart, revolutionizing commerce in India. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on exciting career opportunities.